Hi everybody, it's Ashley from Posh Crochet Patterns. In this video, I want to show you all how to assemble the pin the egg on the chick, I guess you'd call it. I know in the other video I called it a duck, but I made a video on how to make these really cute egg appliques for Easter. And I talked about in the video that this could be used as a game to pin these on here and then put them in a cute little basket. Now, I haven't made the tutorial for the basket yet, but I will. But you can go ahead and check out the video on the egg appliques. So I got some Velcro. So this is just a cheap dollar store Easter flag. So you can probably get this at Dollar General. So I got needle and thread. So I wanted to show you all. Maybe I zoomed in on tab it too much. Okay. So I got needle and thread. Now this is the rough part of the Velcro. And we don't want the rough part on the eggs. We want the soft part on the eggs. So I cut them in little squares. So you can either do pin the egg on the chick's butt, on the egg, you know, wherever you want. And I think this would be great for teachers in an elementary school class or even at home. Like if your kids have a lot of friends and you want to throw an Easter party or just do something fun with your, with your little kids, then this would be great. So you take the rough part and you just pin it where you want. I'm going to go in from the back here. Let's see, let's put it right there. I'm going to go in from the back. I'm going to try to get that in there without poking myself. And then just put a few stitches in there to hold it into place. Yeah, just a few stitches to get that on there. Goes right through the flag, no problem. Well, darn it. Of course I would have an issue while on video. Oh, come on. Darn it, I don't want it to look bad. Sorry. Okay, that's better. Okay. Just need to hold this off to the side here. Just going to put maybe some stitches down here at the bottom. And just go across. I think the thread is sticking to the, yeah, it's sticking to the, okay, that's better. Yeah, so let's put a few stitches in that. It doesn't have to look perfect. Okay, almost done with this one. Okay, so we got it on there. Just gonna tie it. It's gonna be a quick little game for kids to play. All you need is just get you a cheap little dollar store flag probably get one at Dollar Tree, Dollar General. And the Velcro I used is just like extra Velcro that I had. I'd actually bought some blankets at Walmart, some cheap little blankets at Walmart, and it had, here I'll show you. It had these wrapped around the blanket with the Velcro. And I saved these because I love doing arts and crafts. So I saved them. And then I was thinking, I need some Velcro for this. And so it had the rough part and the soft part that sticks. So I just pulled it right off. And then I cut them into little squares. So then here's the soft side. I'm going to keep them separated. So what I'll do is I'll just cut these. Cut these into fours. And then I'll take one of the cute little eggs, put it on the back of it. Maybe I should put two on there. Maybe I should just cut a big piece on there. That way the kids don't have a hard time getting it on there. Yeah, that would probably be a good idea. And then trying to not make a really long video for you all. Yeah, so we just sew this on. But you can actually get Velcro. I've actually bought black Velcro um, at Walmart. You can buy a kit of that too if you don't have any Velcro laying around. I'm sure they got white. It was just at the time I needed black. So so yeah, we're just gonna stitch that on there. And I'm trying not to make this perfect. I'm trying to speed this up along for you all. If I was trying to make little small perfect stitches, it would probably take me an hour to do all this. So yeah, I'm just trying to basically get this stitched on here fairly quickly, just to show you all that it is very possible to make a cute little crochet game for the kids. I think the kids will love it. All right. Let's see if I can zoom this out a little bit more. Scoot all that over. There we go. It's on there. Yep. Just blindfold them and there you go. So yeah, just make sure you keep the rough parts separated from the soft parts. And I'm going to finish this up. I believe I'm giving this to my niece. That way they can have fun and have a cute little game to play this Easter. So yeah, and you can just sew these the rough pieces on, up here, over here, anywhere you want. And then make plenty of these, for all the kids to take turns. And I'm going to make a tutorial how-to video on how to make this cute little basket to put them in. Yeah. So I hope you all like this video. I hope this helps you all to have a fun time this Easter. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Every subscriber helps. So thank you all. Bye-bye.